Smart Money Nation, I am back. All right, let's go. Today we got another personal credit video for you. Today I'm going to talk about a new card by Goldman Sachs that partnered up, I guess, with GM to bring some new credit cards. So this one, I've been hearing rumors that they are approving people even with lower credit scores, probably in the lower 600s to mid 600s can get approved for this card. Also, no hard inquiry for a pre-approval, but once you are approved, they will do a hard inquiry if you accept the offer. But before we get started, as always, if you're not a part of the Smart Money Nation, please join the nation, hit the red subscribe button, subscribe, and if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you are notified anytime I drop an important video just like this one or I go live. If you like the content that I drop, please hit the like button, and if you have any comments, questions, leave it in the description. Leave it in the comment section below, not in the description. You have no access to that, right? Let's get started. Today we're going to talk about Marcus.com by Goldman Sachs, right? So they just released a new credit cards, partnered with GM. And now the most interesting thing about these credit cards is that there is a lot of whispers in the air right now that people with lower tier credit, I'm talking 600, the low 600s to the mid 600s, are getting pre-approvals for this particular cards. And then the second best thing is that they are giving you pre-approvals before with a soft inquiry, and only a hard inquiry if you accept the offer. So let's go over it a bit. It is high limit. The limit, of course, depends on your credit and your credit history, not just your score. And also they are checking TransUnion, I believe. So make sure your TransUnion credit is decent, at least mid 600s, lower 600s. What it offers is no annual fee. You earn a bunch of points, 4 points for every $1 spent everywhere else, 7 points for every $1 spent at GM. If you spend money at GM, this is definitely a great card for you. Let's talk about the rewards. It has rewards towards GM vehicles, redeemed towards cars if you wanted to get any certified or pre-owned cars. This is great for that. You can redeem it for gift cards. So this is talking about some of the points that you do get and you redeem. Okay, so they have different nice different types of cards. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply for this live. I don't think I'll be accepting the offer if I get pre-approved for it. But let's go. Let's see. Apply for the card. Let me click on that. Let it load the information, and we're gonna see how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and choose. I like that one. All right, so I'm gonna put in my information, and I will be right back. All right, so I just finished putting my information in the actual application. It's above. I'm gonna click continue. For privacy purposes, of course, I'm not gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna see what happens. Continue. Hopefully they don't add my information right on the screen. Okay, so I'm gonna put more information in. I'm gonna actually start the video again once we get to the offer part, which is right here. So I'm gonna put profile info, identity information, and then it'll be the offer. So I will resume the video at the offer portion. All right, so I'm done with the application part. So next is gonna be the offer. It's giving me the actual details. 0% introductory APR for 9 months. After that, we'll go to 14.9 to 24.9. So all APR for cash advance 26%, so on. So it's telling you everything that late payment fee $40. So going through that now, I'm going to submit the application and let's see what happens. All right, time for the final decision. Oh, so I did not get approved for this one, but again, I would highly recommend everybody go ahead and give it an actual go, and give it a try. I think I do have a freeze on my TransUnion. That is probably why. So I guess a lesson to be learned here is that if you do have a freeze on your credit report, go ahead and take the freeze off of your credit report before applying. I did have a freeze on there and I took it off, but I guess it hasn't took effect yet. So I'll see why they weren't able to approve me for a GM card. I'm sure they'll send an email or a letter in the mail, and I'll maybe update you guys on that. But as always, I'll leave the link in the description below to apply for this new Goldman Sachs card. I wish you guys luck. This is for, maybe I will call this about the second tier, anybody from the 600s to the 700s. This is the card for you guys. First tier cards, we always talk about the fintech credit cards that are, that require, very low credit, if no credit at all. I have several videos on those, so make sure you check that out. But as always, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you found it valuable, please share it with somebody that you do value. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.